Hi everybody, Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts here. I know I'm not in the video. I just wanted to do something quick, so I didn't do my other setup. Today I am using the 5x5 cube and the Make Today Awesome. This was the December Club Couture transfer. The chalkable shape that came with that was a word bubble. But I wanted to use, there's multiple phrases on this particular transfer, and so I wanted to use this 5x5 cube and put those phrases on there. So I am using the Midnight paste, and I've already done two sides, and I just wanted to hop on real quick as I do another side or two maybe, so you all can kind of see what this looks like. I love this cube. It's a lot, it provides a lot of different options. I've seen designers use the just the background design transfers on it so that it just, you know, no words, just a little different kind of design on each side. I used one of the Valentine's Day transfers on one to make a little Valentine's Day decoration. I've seen another designer use this particular transfer on it, which is where the idea came from on my end. And it's great because you can make it specific to a color scheme for a room. You've got multiple sides to do multiple colors. You know, you can do a design on it as the base and chalk a saying over it. You can paint it. This is just a great surface. I love it a lot. I hope it stays as an evergreen surface. I just think there's just a lot of utility with it. I'm trying to figure out what's wet so that I don't mess up any paste. I think everything on there actually is wet, so I'm gonna have to wait and let some of that dry because my drying tool is actually upstairs. I'm gonna do the You Look Amazing on it, and then I'm going to do the Make It Happen without the Today, so, and I'm gonna stack that on it, and then I'm trying to figure out how to fit Make Today Awesome on there. That awesome is pretty long, and I'm not entirely sure that the whole thing will fit unless I do it at a diagonal. So I'm gonna have to mess around with that. So I'll post it all when it's finished. I really just wanted to highlight this particular surface. It kind of came in under the radar with a whole bunch of other things, and so I've talked to a couple people who didn't even realize that it was out there. So I wanted to make sure everybody knew that it was out there and could see a little bit of the versatility of it. Hope you all are having a great day and keep watching. Thank you.